Once upon a time, in a realm where dreams were more than wishes and hope shimmered like stardust in the air, there lived a young man named Ethan. Ethan had heard the legends of a mystical place, the Gate of Dreams, where anyone who passed through would find the life they truly desired. Not riches or fame, but something deeper: purpose, passion, peace. And so, with a heart full of ambition and eyes lit with hope, Ethan set out on a journey to reach that sacred gate. Days turned to weeks, and finally, Ethan arrived. Before him stood a grand archway glowing with a soft golden light. Just as he stepped forward, a figure appeared, a gatekeeper dressed in a cloak of shadows, his face hidden beneath a hood. "You cannot pass," the gatekeeper said in a voice that echoed with quiet finality. "Why not?" Ethan asked, confused. "I've traveled so far. I'm ready." "You're not ready," the gatekeeper replied. "Come back tomorrow." And so Ethan returned the next day. Again, the gatekeeper stood before him. Again, he was denied. Day after day, Ethan returned, and each time, the gatekeeper grew more familiar. His stance, his voice, even the way he tilted his head. Slowly, eerily, the gatekeeper began to resemble Ethan himself. One morning, Ethan arrived before sunrise. He was weary, tired of fighting, tired of being turned away. He sat at the foot of the gate, watching the first light paint the sky. That's when it hit him. This wasn't a guardian placed to protect the gate. This wasn't some test from the universe. The gatekeeper was him. Every "you're not ready" had come from his own doubt. Every "come back tomorrow" was his own fear whispering, "What if I fail?" The cloak of shadows was stitched from the threads of his insecurities. The voice he heard was the echo of his own disbelief. He stood up slowly. With new clarity in his heart, Ethan walked toward the gate once more. The figure was there, waiting. But this time, Ethan didn't stop. He looked the gatekeeper in the eye and whispered, "You're not real. You're the part of me that's scared. But I'm done letting fear decide the shape of my life." And as he stepped forward, the gatekeeper faded like mist in morning sun. The gate didn't resist. It had never been locked. On the other side, Ethan didn't find gold or glory. He found a version of himself who smiled more, who spoke with conviction, who woke up every day knowing he was living his purpose. The journey had never been about reaching the gate. It was about becoming someone who believed he belonged on the other side.